Okay, Midnight, here you go. Here you go. You can't always be the first to eat, Ricky. I'm sorry. He never eats it after you. He needs to eat some soft food. She's making you nervous, isn't she? He's like, okay, I'm leaving, okay? I'm leaving! Bitch! Alright, Ricky. You may eat now. She couldn't stand he got to eat before her. I wish I had gotten the first half of that, like her like smacking him the first time, like, no, that's mine!
There's all kinds of gravity in here. I gotta get my sea legs. You know what? You are always welcome in my house. And so am I. You know what? I am gonna go.
Poor Ricky. Poor... Poor... Oh, shut up. Stop it. Stop it.